Hey, what's up guys? Alex here with a new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new accessory for the DJI Ronin S. Now I've had this gimbal since the day it launched, and to be honest, I can't say I've used it much. So again, some context into what we do. My wife and I are wedding photographers here in Texas, and our wedding season's kind of interesting. We really don't do much in the summer, and then kind of like the first half of the year, or I guess the first few months of the year and then the last few months of the year, we're just absolutely slammed. So I bought this gimbal. I wanted to use it for video. Never got around to it, but we're starting to slow down a little bit, at least for the next 2 months, and I've been wanting to use it a little bit more. To top it off, I also picked up the new Atomos Ninja 5, which is recording me right now, along with the Canon EOS R. So I was looking at ways to mount this Atomos to the DJI Ronin, and kind of funny how things work out. As I was kind of shopping around the market, Polar Pro reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in doing a review on their new accessory for the DJI Ronin S that is a monitor mount. So Polar Pro sent out their new accessory my way, and here I have it. They didn't pay me to do anything. They just sent out the accessory. They didn't tell me to say anything, so I just wanted to put that out there. But I wanted to go ahead and unbox it, install it on the DJI Ronin, and see how it works. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so here we have the Ronin S, and here we have the monitor mount by Polar Pro. So very simple packaging, pretty much tells us that it uses 1/4-20 thread, it's able to swivel, and it's out of the way. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how this bad boy installs on the Ronin. So in the box, you're going to go ahead and get the monitor mount, and as you can see here, it comes in this black and gold finish, and it is made out of metal. We are also going to get a user guide and tools to screw on the monitor mount into the DJI Ronin. Now guys, one thing I learned after making this video is the DJI Ronin does have two accessory ports, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. By default, the follow focus does come on the left side, so here I am removing the accessory cover in order to install the monitor mount. The next step, guys, is installing the monitor mount plate. This will allow us to connect the monitor mount, but also be able to freely angle it and move it to our desired position. And once the plate is on, guys, the monitor mount just screws on. And I really prefer this method because with the Atomos Ninja 5, if you're using large batteries, the monitor really is heavier on the right-hand side versus the left-hand side. And using kind of your traditional ball head mounts, it's just really weird because you gotta compensate for the added weight on the right-hand side. Here I mounted the Atomos Ninja 5 and it stayed rock solid in place, even though I have that huge battery on the right-hand side. Okay guys, so here we have the DJI Ronin S with the Polar Pro monitor mount and the Atomos Ninja 5. And as a whole, I'm really liking the ergonomics of it. But I think most importantly, to go back to what I said earlier, I like the fact that you don't have to fiddle with this mount. So since I got the Ninja 5, I use these huge Sony batteries. And the biggest annoyance of this monitor is how it's not balanced. So these batteries throw the monitor out of balance, which means it's very heavy on the right-hand side. And ever since I got it, I've been fiddling with ball head mounts left and right when I put this monitor on top of my camera, and I can't find the right balance, and it's just frustrating. And the fact that this kind of uses a different method, it keeps the monitor in place, does not move. I do not have to fiddle with ball heads. Like, it's awesome. So first impressions, really liking the build quality and kind of really liking the design. You also do get 2 1/4-20 threads in the top, so if you want to mount additional accessories, you can do that as well. But as a whole, guys, don't judge the balance of this camera. I just slapped it on. Probably didn't do the best job. But first look, first impressions, I'll have a review on this mount here in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. And as always, guys, please like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.